Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we have an important topic for those of you who love getting under the hood and solving automotive mysteries. We'll be diving into the world of OBD-II trouble codes, specifically focusing on P0262. So, grab your diagnostic tools and let's get started. Code P0262 is related to the fuel injector circuit in cylinder 1 of your engine. If your check engine light is on and you've retrieved this code, don't worry, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to diagnose and fix the issue. Before we jump into fixing, let's understand what P0262 means. It indicates a high voltage condition in the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 1. This could be caused by various factors such as a faulty injector, wiring issues, or a problem with the engine control module ECM. Symptoms of P0262. There are a few signs that you might have a P0262 code. Illuminated engine light, rough idle, loss of power, increased fuel consumption. Causes of P0262. There are several potential causes for this code. Faulty injector, damaged wiring harness, dirty or clogged fuel injector, corroded connector, faulty PCM. Before you start, gather the following tools: OBD-II scanner, multimeter, socket wrench set, flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, shop rags, replacement injector optional, injector cleaner optional. Here's how to fix code P0262. 1. Start by reading the code with your OBD-II scanner. This will give you more information about the code, such as any freeze frame data. 2. Visually inspect the wiring harness. Look for any signs of damage, such as fraying, cracks, or burns. 3. Check the injector connector for corrosion. Clean the connector with a wire brush, if necessary. 4. Test the injector resistance with your multimeter. Compare your readings to the manufacturer's specifications. 5. If the injector is faulty, you'll need to replace it. This is a relatively straightforward process, but consult your vehicle's repair manual for specific instructions. 6. If the wiring harness is damaged, you'll need to repair or replace it. This can be a more complex job, so it's best to consult a mechanic if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. 7. If the injector is dirty or clogged, you can try cleaning it with a fuel injector cleaner. Follow the instructions on the product label carefully. 8. Once you've made the repairs, clear the code with your OBD-II scanner and test drive your vehicle. If the code returns, there may be another underlying issue that needs to be addressed. Some important tips: always wear safety glasses and gloves when working on your vehicle. Disconnect the negative battery cable before starting any repairs. Be careful not to over-tighten any nuts or bolts. If you're not comfortable doing the repairs yourself, take your vehicle to a qualified mechanic. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on diagnosing and fixing OBD-II code P0262. Remember, if you're unsure or uncomfortable with any of these steps, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional mechanic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive content. Thanks for watching and happy wrenching!